Enervin Pro is an easy-to- use fungicide against downy mildew. The healthy start for your vegetable crops. Hit the ground running. Enervin Pro offers protection right from the beginning. Its full potential is realized when applied during the phase of rapid canopy growth, resulting in high quality and yield. Two active ingredients boost each other's performance. Potassium phosphonate is distributed within the plant, and besides its direct activity, it acts like a vaccination and primes the plant's defense mechanisms. Initium protects leaves and growing fruits by strongly binding to the wax layer. The combination of these two ingredients prevents fungal growth in early stages and protects the entire plant. Enervin Pro strengthens the resistance management of the spray program due to the combination of two unique modes of action. Enervin Pro has several other advantages: a high UV resistance, an excellent rain fastness, and a good selectivity in different climatic conditions. Residues stay well below mandated levels, and its favorable regulatory profile makes Enervin Pro safe for workers and the environment, which supports your farm's planet-friendly profile. Enervin Pro, the best start for your vegetable crops.
BASF. We create chemistry.